In this part, I'll show you how to create and apply parameter templates to RDS instance. To use this feature on the RDS instance list page, go to parameter templates. And here you will find the list of the default templates and the custom templates if you have created any. So, and you can click this button to create a new parameter template. So click it and you can choose the database engine version. And you can name the parameter template and add descriptions. So, and then click OK. And the created template is shown here. And to modify the parameter settings, click it and go to the details page. And on this page, you can find all the parameters that you can modify. And you can use the search bar to search the parameters. For example, if you want to search for parameters associated with binlog, then for example, search binlog, and you can find these parameters related to binlog. And for example, if you want to modify the sync binlog parameter, then just simply change the numbers here and click save. And it will pop up a warning. So for example, right now it says parameter value other than 1 will reduce data reliability and exercise cautious when changing this value. So click yes if you want to apply. To apply the parameter template to a database instance, you click more and click apply. And now choose the database instance. For example, choose this one and then click OK. And it's been applied. And you can view the application record later.